हेलो, दिस इज़ उस्मान फ्रॉम द डिजिटल डायरेक्शन। आई नो बहुत से लोग आजकल जर्मनी की तरफ रुख कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स एंड न्यू जॉब सीकर्स. So if you want to learn about digital marketing, job, career, salaries, and you want to know what is the market right now and how can you plan your career, or you want to know which companies are hiring, which are not, जर्मनी में साइज सैलरीज क्या है इनिशियल एक्सपीरियंस के लोगों के लिए या थोड़े से मेच्योर लोगों के लिए, और किन फील्ड में कौन से इन डिमांड जॉब्स हैं, तो you can contact me on LinkedIn or through my YouTube channel. It's a paid service, it's not free. I have given a lot of free calls and free help, but now it's very nominal fee. You can book 1 hour session, and believe me, this will be very helpful because I've been living in Germany more than 2 years and worked 10 years in Dubai. So from Dubai to Germany, I got a call and I got a job in Germany. I worked with Daimler WTX, which is a Mercedes company. I worked with Publix, with one of the biggest e-commerce brand, and right now I have my own digital agency called Digital Direction in Germany. So I know a lot about international hiring, about job market, about salaries, about language issues, about which companies are hiring, what positions are hiring. So if you want to learn more and want to get information, connect with me, book a 1 hour session or half an hour session based on your pocket, and believe me, it will be helpful for you. Looking forward to see you. Take care and see you. Cheers.